Alright, Marshall, I'll give you another shout out. There's the Esky I got from you. I put the body on with my Lama helicopter, and we're going to go out and give it a fly. And there's my co-pilot right there. Co-pilot. Alright, like I said, we're going to give this a fly and see what happens.
You do know if you get, when you start getting up in the thousands, you'll be making a lot more money that way. And that.
Go higher. You still see that pretty good?
Yeah, I had to zoom in. Don't crash into the truck.
Bring it in line. Lama F1 with an Esky body. I didn't know if it'd pick it up, but it did. We'll make more videos later. Thanks. Bye.